how the pro producers mixes their vocals, and when you hear it, you're gonna be like, ah, Charlie, this guy makes it is dope. Yeah. And the fact is that you can implement that same thing today and your mix downs is going to be dope. So without wasting much time, don't click off the video, because we are going to learn this step by step, and don't skip any part of the video. And if you want me to continue with this, just subscribe to the channel and then comment down below that I have subscribed, and I'm going to reply you one after the other. Without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. So the first thing is that I'm going to play the raw vocals to you guys, and you hear how it sounds, and after implementing everything, you're gonna hear how everything sounds. So it's just a raw vocal. I just want to live my life. I just want to live a better life. Hey. So in my first video, I showed you people how to remove add noise gate to in Cubase 5, how to add noise gate. So I'm not going to show you this video again. I'm not going to show you how to add it again. If you want to learn that, you go to my previous video and you'll be able to know how to add noise gate. So let me clean it, and the decibel, the threshold that I'm using is 29, 27. So for tutorial sake, I'm going to use 29. And let me clean. Okay, don't show this again. Continue. So let me clean this part. And if you feel that some of the vocals have been chopped away, you can click Ctrl Z and it will bring it back. So let me play it again for you to hear. I just want to live my life. Hey, I just want to live a better life. Hey. So this is the trick that they use. Before you move on to any vocal, the first thing you need to do is to equalize. You need to EQ the voice, the vocal. Yeah, so because this voice is having, I just want to live my life. Hey, I just want to live a better life. Hey. So I'll have to equal it small, and you can add it in the group channel or you can add it manually. So for the sake of this, because I'm going to use other tracks, so I will use it in a group channel, and the group channel note, it must be in a stereo form. So this is how you create a group channel, and then you add it where you click on where stereo out is, and then you select your group from there, and the next group and the next track will come stereo out, you select your group. So I will just need about 2 or 3 groups. So that is it. The 2 or 3 channel tracks. So okay, so let me play it again. I just want to live my life. Hey, I just want to live a better life. Hey. In this case, I'm going to use far filter pro EQ. Yeah, far filter EQ, and it has done a lot for me. So far filter Q3, that's what I'm going to use. And I have the lenses, so don't be like, oh, this guy is using stock plugins or whatever. I have the lenses, but for time's sake, I just installed my Windows, and I feel like doing this for you guys. So I will just evaluate it and then use it. And after that, in my next video, you're going to see that I'm using the pro version. So don't be like, this guy is using stock plugins. Okay, so I'll cut the low side of the vocal. So I'll just select from the preset, I'll select low cut. So the preset, I'll select low cut. Okay, and I'll move here the decibels to 30 decibels, and I'll move it down small to my own convenience. So I just want to live my life. Hey, I just want to live a better life. Hey. I don't want it to be too harsh, and I don't want it to be too I don't want the bass too much. So Okay, let me listen
I
to.
just want to live my life. Eh, I just want to live a better life. Eh.
So when the pros are mixing their vocals, this is what they do. Because this is lead vocal, they will just duplicate this. So in Cubase, when you press Alt and then place your mouse on it, it's going to duplicate it for you to the next track, and they will do it 2 or 3 times. Okay, so you zoom it very well in order for you to know that it's in a straight line and nothing is moving left neither right. So this one is going far. Okay, let me bring this one a small. Okay, now this one is going too much. Okay, make sure your settings is in quantized, and then you are using 1/64. So I'll just select everything, move it small. Okay, so now they are in straight line. This is what they do. When you come to channel side, you see it's now in the center of everything. So you move it, the first track, you move it from the first channel, you move it from where it is to 50% left. So you can type in L50, meaning left side. You want 50 over there and press and enter, and then the other track, the next track. So you may leave the main vocal untouched, but the other vocals you move it left and then right. So the other side to left, right, 50, and then you press on enter. And what this makes is that 50 plus 50 equals 100. So all of them praying together will give you 100%, and listen to how it will sound.
I just want to live my life. Eh, I just want to live a better life. Eh.
So guys, you see, this is the simple tricks that the pro producers uses, and sometimes when you hear their mix downs, you be like, oh, this guy is dope. There is nothing like magic in mixing. The rules are the rules, so you better go by the rules or you spoil the song. That is it. So if you want content like this, guys, in my next video I'm going to show you how to mix from head to toe. Yes, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and then share this video to your loved ones. And in my next video I'm going to show you guys how to mix. And when you subscribe, make sure you type in the comment section that I subscribed or I've subscribed, and I'll get back to you guys one after the other. And in my next video I'm going to do giveaways of plugins. Yes, so if you fall in that, guys, I will dash you a plugin, pro plugin that you can use to mix your tracks, whether waves or fab filter or other plugins, pro plugins that is on market that you can use, and it will help you in your musical journey. So that is it. See you later, guys.